These are cicadas. Known for their loud calls and mysterious life cycles, cicadas have intrigued scientists and nature lovers alike. But what makes these insects so unique? What secrets do they hold? Today, we're diving into one of nature's most fascinating mysteries, and we'll explore the astonishing life of cicadas. Their 1 in 17-year massive emergence that shocks the world, and their remarkably bothering sound as the loudest insect in the world. Cicadas belong to the order Hemiptera, which includes other bugs like aphids and leafhoppers. With over 3,000 species worldwide, cicadas are recognized for their distinctive appearances and the remarkable sound produced by males during mating seasons. While they can be found in many parts of the world, the most fascinating species are the periodical cicadas, which emerges in cycles of 13 to 17 years. But why such a long life cycle? Well, that's just the beginning of the mystery. The cicada life cycle is both complex and fascinating. It begins underground, where nymphs live for several years, depending on the species. These nymphs feed on the sap of plant roots, especially living a hidden life beneath the ground. As they grow up, they undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons multiple times. This underground phase can last anywhere from 2 to 17 years. But when the time is right, typically in late spring or early summer, the nymphs sense the soil temperature rising and prepare for a dramatic transformation. When the conditions are perfect, millions of cicadas emerge from the ground almost simultaneously, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This phenomenon is known as mass emergence and occurs in cycles, often after 13 to 17 years. The emergence process is truly remarkable. The nymphs climb up trees or plants, shedding their exoskeletons one last time to reveal the adult cicada. This newly emerged adult is soft and vulnerable, but it quickly hardens and begins its brief life above the ground. During this time, they also expand their wings, allowing them to fly. But this isn't just about survival. It's also about their reproduction. Adult cicadas live for only a few weeks to a couple of months, but in this time, they mate and lay eggs before dying, which continues the cycle. Despite only having a very short life as an adult cicada above ground, cicadas can lay over 200 to 400 eggs in tiny holes that they make in tree branches or shrubs. So why do cicadas spend so many years underground? Well, we don't really know why, but scientists have proposed several theories. One popular hypothesis is predator satiation, where by emerging in massive numbers, cicadas overwhelm predators and ensure that enough individuals survive to reproduce. Emerging in cycles also help minimize the risk of being hunted down by other animals that may have adapted to feast on cicadas. This long-term strategy through years has puzzled researchers, leading to numerous studies attempting to understand the evolutionary advantages behind these 17-year cycles. However, the mass emergence is not just the greatest part about cicadas. Have you ever wondered how they create their iconic sounds? Well, male cicadas produce loud calls to attract females by rapidly vibrating a specialized membrane called a timbal. This unique method of sound production allows cicadas to reach up to 120 decibels, which is louder than a rock concert. But the sound is not just for mating. It serves various purposes, including territory establishment and communication. In the cicada world, each species has their own unique and distinctive call, creating a complex symphony during the warm months, which can vary from loud buzzing to rhythmic clicking. Cicadas also play an essential role in their ecosystems. As they feed on plant roots, they contribute to nutrient cycling in the soil. When they die, their body decomposes, enriching the soil. This helps providing sustenance for other organisms. They serve as a food source for various animals, including birds, mammals, and other insects, forming an integral part of the food web. In many ways, cicadas are not just fascinating creatures, but they are also a crucial player in their environments. Cicadas are not just loud insects. They embody a deep lesson about life itself. Their remarkable life cycle, marked by years of hidden growth and a brief but vibrant emergence, remind us of the beauty and patience and the importance of timing. Cicadas teach us that life often unfolds in cycles, where periods of waiting and preparation are followed by bursts of activities and growth. Their emergence also not only symbolizes the power of community, but highlights the interconnectedness of all living things within our ecosystem. So the next time you hear the familiar sound of cicadas filling the summer air, remember the incredible journey they undertake. Let their story inspire us and embrace our own cycles of growth, celebrating the moments of emergence and appreciating the intricate web of life that surrounds us.